Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at this new George Foreman grill, and what's great about this one is that you can detach it from the power source and easily wash or dishwash the main components. So this is going to be a game changer. We'll do a quick unboxing of the Foreman grill so you can see exactly what you'd be getting, and then we'll take a close-up look at it. Alright, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so in the box is this user manual. You get a quick start guide, and the only other thing in the box is the actual grill. And there it is. It's much nicer looking than those old white bulky ones from the 90s. This is actually thinner and just has a better overall look and design. Now this right here is one of the main reasons I got this grill. You can detach the control panel from the grill components, which makes this way easier when washing. And the parts are thin enough to easily fit in your dishwasher. Now this is very easy to operate. Once it's turned on, you should get a green light, and you just set the button to your desired heat level, which will turn the light red, and once the heat rises to the level you set, the button will turn green. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, this is very easy to use. And it does heat up very quickly, so you aren't having to wait too long to get to grilling. Down at the bottom is your drip tray, and this is easy to take in and out. It's also going to be very easy to wash this thing. Now, I love my old Foreman grill, but with being able to detach this to make it easier when washing these, that's just a total game changer for us. I'm sure it will be for you too.